Overgrown branches, hard-to-reach limbs, and time-consuming yard work demand a smarter way to handle tree trimming. That's where electric pole saws really perfect tool. These tools deliver fast, clean cutting performance, are easy to trim high branches, and maintain your yard. With lightweight designs, extended reach, and improved motor efficiency, they're perfect for both homeowners and regular outdoor maintenance. Today, we reveal the top 5 best electric pole saws that offer power, convenience, and reliable performance. Remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is the Radius Garden PS45010S, the Scott's PS45010S. Electric pole saw is one of the best budget electric pole saws for light and reliable trimming work. It gives strong cutting performance without dealing with gas, fumes, or constant maintenance. This electric pole saw is designed to make branch cutting simple and stress-free. The powerful 8-amp electric motor delivers smooth and consistent cutting power for trimming tree branches, overgrown limbs, and hard-to-reach areas around your property. The 10-inch Oregon bar and chain provide clean, efficient cuts while handling regular yard maintenance with ease. The specialty is its extra-long reach. With a fully extended pole length of up to 9 feet 5 inches, you can safely trim tall branches from the ground without climbing risky ladders. That added reach makes yard work safer, easier, and far more comfortable during longer trimming sessions. You also get a 30-degree adjustable cutting head with 3 different angle settings, helping you cut difficult branches with better precision and control. Whether you're trimming overhead limbs or awkward side branches, the adjustable head makes the job much easier. The automatic oiling system keeps the chain properly lubricated for smoother operation and longer chain life, while the oil level window helps you monitor maintenance quickly. You also get tool-free chain tension adjustment, allowing you to tighten the chain easily without extra tools. With a comfortable rubber overmolded handle, foam grip, and simple push-button start, this pole saw feels beginner-friendly while still delivering dependable cutting performance. If you want a lightweight, budget-friendly, long-reaching, and easy-to-use electric pole saw for reliable yard maintenance, the Scott's PS45010S could be the smart trimming tool for your outdoor projects. The 4th place on our list is the SEESII P6 Ace. The SEESII P6 Ace is one of the best cordless 2-in-1 electric pole saws with an extendable pole length for reaching high branches. It is a lightweight tool that can easily switch between a handheld mini chainsaw and a long-reach pole saw. This versatile cutter could completely upgrade your outdoor work. You will get a smart 2-in-1 design that transforms from a compact 6-inch handheld chainsaw into a powerful pole saw within seconds. That means you can trim high branches, cut tree limbs, handle firewood, or manage ground-level cutting jobs using just one convenient cordless tool. The specialty is its impressive telescopic extension pole that gives you up to 15.5 feet of reach. You can safely trim tall branches from the ground without climbing unstable ladders, making your tree maintenance safer, easier, and far less stressful. You also get a high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers stronger cutting performance, quieter operation, and a motor life up to 3 times longer than that of traditional brushed motors. With a fast 26 feet per second chain speed, this saw handles thick branches smoothly while maintaining consistent power during demanding jobs. The dual 4,000 mAh battery system provides up to 120 minutes of runtime and around 200 cuts on a full charge, helping you finish longer trimming sessions without frequent interruptions. Another major highlight is the adjustable cutting head with multiple angle settings, allowing you to trim difficult branches with better precision and control. The ergonomic telescoping pole also helps reduce strain during overhead cutting. Do you want a powerful, beginner-friendly, and long-reaching cordless pole saw that makes tree trimming faster and safer? The SEESII P6 Ace could be the perfect choice for you. The 3rd product on our list is the Worx WG311. The Worx 10-inch electric pole saw is one of the best electric pole saws for long-term trimming sessions. Whether you need a lightweight tool that delivers strong cutting performance while helping you safely reach high branches, this pole saw could make your yard work much easier. You will get a powerful 8-amp motor paired with an impressive 28 feet per second chain speed that will allow you to cut through branches quickly and smoothly. Whether you're trimming trees, clearing overgrown limbs, or maintaining your yard, the cutting performance feels fast, clean, and efficient. The specialty is its smart 2-in-1 design. You can use it as a full pole saw for high branches, or quickly remove the extension pole and turn it into a regular handheld chainsaw for lower cutting jobs. That flexibility makes it perfect for both overhead trimming and ground-level work without needing separate tools. You also get an extendable pole that reaches up to 10 feet, helping you trim tall branches safely from the ground without climbing unstable ladders. The lightweight 10-pound design keeps the saw easy to maneuver, reducing arm fatigue during longer cutting sessions. The one-button chain tensioning system makes adjustments simple and quick, so you spend less time on maintenance and more time getting work done. Automatic chain lubrication also keeps the chain properly oiled for smoother cuts and longer bar and chain life. Another great feature is the telescopic cutting length adjustment and 180-degree rotating rear handle, which helps you cut from difficult angles with better comfort and control. If you want a powerful, lightweight, and beginner-friendly electric pole saw with fast cutting speed and versatile performance, the Worx pole saw might be the ideal choice for you. The second product on our list is the DOOYUTOOL GJ-23. This 2-in-1 electric pole saw is a premium tree trimming tool designed for high-end cutting performance. If you already use DeWalt 20-volt max batteries and want a reliable pole saw that gives you both reach and cutting power, this tool could become your go-to outdoor companion. You receive a clever 2-in-1 design that functions as a long-reach pole saw and a 10-inch cordless chainsaw. The removable chainsaw head lets you quickly switch between handheld cutting for groundwork and overhead trimming for tall branches, giving you maximum flexibility without carrying multiple tools. The specialty is its compatibility with DeWalt 20-volt max batteries. It works seamlessly with popular DeWalt battery models, so you can save money by using batteries you may already own while still getting strong cordless performance. You also get a telescopic extension pole with up to 14.5 feet of maximum reach. Combined with the 180-degree adjustable cutting head, you can trim difficult branches from multiple angles safely from the ground without climbing unstable ladders. Its second-generation brushless motor delivers strong and stable cutting power with better efficiency, lower energy consumption, and longer motor life. Whether you're trimming tree limbs, pruning garden branches, or cleaning storm debris, the cutting performance feels smooth and reliable. The automatic oiling system keeps the chain lubricated for cleaner cuts and longer chain life, while the transparent oil tank and smart battery power display help you stay in control during every job. You even get a lightweight, beginner-friendly design that feels easy to handle during extended trimming sessions. If you want a cordless pole saw that combines DeWalt battery compatibility, strong cutting power, long reach, and simple operation, this one can be the smartest tree trimming tool for your yard. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Supstable S5 Sky. This electric pole saw is the best overall electric pole saw for medium to heavy tree trimming and yard maintenance. If you want one powerful tool that can handle both ground cutting and high branch trimming, this combo is built to make your yard work faster, safer, and much easier. With a smart 2-in-1 design that easily switches between a handheld 6-inch or 8-inch mini chainsaw and a long-reach cordless pole saw. Whether you're trimming branches, cutting firewood, cleaning storm debris, or maintaining your garden, this tool gives you the flexibility to handle almost every cutting job without buying multiple tools. The specialty is its impressive 16-foot reach with the adjustable telescopic pole. You can safely trim tall branches from the ground without climbing dangerous ladders. The lightweight design also helps you stay balanced and comfortable while cutting overhead, making it beginner-friendly and easy to control. Additionally, you enjoy a high-performance brushless motor with a longer motor life, reduced noise, and strong, reliable cutting power. It easily cuts thick branches and tough limbs while staying smooth and efficient during long jobs. The automatic oiling system keeps the chain properly lubricated for smoother cutting and reduced wear. while the tool-free chain tensioning system lets you adjust the chain in seconds without extra tools or frustration. With two powerful 4,000 mAh rechargeable batteries, you can enjoy up to 100 minutes of cordless runtime for extended outdoor work without constant charging interruptions. The adjustable 180-degree cutting head also helps you trim difficult angles with better precision and comfort. If you want an electric pole saw that's powerful, versatile, and designed for complete yard care, this one might be your favorite tree trimming tool. That's all for our list of the top 5 best electric pole saws on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.